These are some of the words that are useful in a classroom. Repeat after me. Camina. Camina. ¿Qué es camina? What is camina? Walk. Siéntate. Siéntate. ¿Qué es siéntate? Sit down. Habla. Habla. ¿Qué es habla? Speak. Silencio. Silencio. ¿Qué es silencio? Silence. Haz la fila. Haz la fila. ¿Qué es haz la fila? Make the line. Párate. Párate. ¿Qué es párate? Stand up. Repite. Repite. ¿Qué es repite? Repeat. Lee. Lee. ¿Qué es lee? Read. Escribe. Escribe. ¿Qué es escribe? Write. Dibuja. Dibuja. ¿Qué es dibuja? Draw. Colorea. Colorea. ¿Qué es colorea? Color. Baja la voz. Baja la voz. ¿Qué es baja la voz? Lower your voice. Respeta. Respeta. ¿Qué es respeta? Respect. Pon atención. Pon atención. ¿Qué es pon atención? Pay attention. Escucha. Escucha. ¿Qué es escucha? Listen. Para. Para. ¿Qué es para? Stop. Let's read one more time together. Ready? Here we go. Camina. Siéntate. Habla. Silencio. Haz la fila. Párate. Repite. Lee. Escribe. Dibuja. Colorea. Baja la voz. Respeta. Pon atención. Escucha. Para. Now I'm going to say the word, and then you're going to guess what it is, and then I'm going to let you see it. Here we go. Number 1. Camina. Walk. Siéntate. Sit down. Habla. Speak. Silencio. Silence. Haz la fila. Make the line. Párate. Stand up. Repite. Repeat. Lee. Read. Escribe. Write. Dibuja. Draw. Colorea. Color. Baja la voz. Lower your voice. Respeta. Respect. Pon atención. Pay attention. Escucha. Listen. Para. Stop. How do you do? Okay, let's do another test. I'm going to say the word in English, and then you're going to tell me what word that is in Spanish. Are you ready? Here we go. Which one means respect? Respect. Respect is number 13. That is respeta. Next one. Which one means read? Read. Read is number 8. And that is lee. Lee. Next one. Which one means sit down? Sit down. That is siéntate. Number 2. Siéntate. Which one means make the line? Make the line. Number 5. Haz la fila. Which one means repeat? Repeat. Number 7. Repite. Repite. Next one. Which one means walk? Walk. Number 1. Camina. Camina. Which one means pay attention? Pay attention. 14. Pon atención. Pon atención. Next one. Which one means draw? Draw. Number 10. Dibuja. Dibuja. Next one. Which one means stand up? Stand up. Number 6. Párate. Párate. Next one. Which one means silence? Silence. Number 4. Silencio. Silencio. Next one. Which one means listen? Listen. Number 15. Escucha. Escucha. So how did you do? Did you repeat after me? Did you know all of the words? Did you know a few? These are just commands, and commands are usually conjugated in the third person. Now it could be singular, it could be plural. Since I am teaching elementary school, I am just going to keep it in the singular form. If I see that they can be advanced, then I can implement the plural form. But this is usually for like Spanish 1, Spanish 2, Spanish 3, and so forth and so on, for like older kids in like middle school or high school or adults. So I am just in the elementary school, and I'm just exposing my students to the language. And I only see each one actually like once a week. So it is only very little amount of time that I have with each group. So I have to make the most of it for them to learn Spanish with me and learn to love it. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Hasta luego.